Hi everyone, I will show you how to change Instagram post font. First of all, you need to go Chrome app and search the link or jam. Now you can tap here what you want to write. Now here is the different font. Now you can select which you like and copy all. Then go to your Instagram and paste the text. Now you can see the font will be changed on your post. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.